If you are looking to pick up a true story that feels like a survival thriller, then I have a book that you absolutely need to pick up. And before I get into it, if you have any recommendations based on books like this, let me know in the comments. And also, let me know if you have this particular book on your TBR or if you've read it. Realm of Ice and Sky dives into a fascinating and often overlooked chapter of Arctic exploration. Instead of ships and sleds, this is the area of airships, massive, hydrogen-filled crafts that were the cutting edge at the time, but were also extremely fragile. Sending them into the Arctic was bold, risky, and at times downright reckless. The story is built around three explorers. The first one is Walter Wellman, whose early attempts are full of ambition, but they constantly fell short. Then comes Roald Amundsen, one of the greatest explorers of all time, who successfully flies over the North Pole in his airship Norge. It's a huge moment in exploration history. But the heart of this book centers on Umberto Nobile and his airship Italia. What starts as a bold expedition turns into quite a disaster when this airship crashes into the Arctic ice. From there, the story shifts to survival. One of the biggest strengths that I think this book has is just how immersive it feels. You can almost hear the airship straining in the wind. You can almost feel the cold pressing in. But at the same time, Levy explains the technology in a way that's easy to follow, which actually adds to the tension. You understand just how dangerous these missions really are. The research is also incredibly strong. It is built on expedition logs, personal accounts, and historical records, but it never feels heavy. Everything is woven into the story in a way that keeps the pace moving while still giving you a real sense of depth. So if you like books that are about exploration and survival, then you need to add this one to your TBR. This is definitely a story about ambition, risk, survival, and the limits of human endurance in one of the most harshest places on Earth.